Hello, Professor Angela. Good afternoon. I am about to present the video. For the making of this video, I chose the evolution of computers because thanks to this invasion, I was able to study this technology and about all pursue the profession I want to practice. As we can see in the first example, this is what first generation computers were like. They were the first electronic device created to perform calculation. They were very large, took up entry rooms, and operate with vacuum tubes, which made them consume a lot of energy and get very hot. They could only perform basic tasks and were mainly used for scientific and military calculation. The second generation of computers replaces vacuum tubes with transistors, which allowed them to be smaller, faster, and more reliable. They consumed less energy and processed less heat. During this stage, they began to be used in business, universities, and governments to process information and perform more complex calculation. The third generation began to use integrated circuits chips inside of individual transistors. This made them smaller, faster, and more efficient. In this generation, the first operating systems also operate, which made computers easier to use and allowed multiple programs to run at the same time. The fourth generation they emerged with the creation of the microprocessors, which allowed all processing to be integrated into single chips. Thanks to these, computers become much smaller, faster, and more accessible to people. In this stage, personal computers, PC, laptops, tablets, and the development of the Internet were born, shaking on the way we study, work, and communicate. The fifth generation is characterized by the development of artificial intelligence, which allows computers to learn, recognize voice and image, and make decisions. This generation includes advances in robotics, virtual assistants, and new technologies such as quantum computing, aiming to create Link faster, smarter, and more capable machines that can solve complex problems. The evolution of computers has been a very important process for the development of technology and society. Over time, computers has gone from being large, expensive, and limited machines to become small, fast, and intelligent tools that facilitate studying, working, and communicate. Thanks to these advances, computers are now an essential part of daily life and will continue evolving to help solve problems.